This is Vicki Walker for ExpertVillage. Today I'm going to show you how to make a backpack that would be suitable for a child or possibly even for an adult, maybe a purse-size backpack. Close at the top. It has grommets at the bottom, but we're going to do something a little bit different. We're going to use what's called a D-ring at the bottom, and I'll show in a future clip how that will be done. Fabric that would be appropriate for this project would be cotton or possibly canvas, depending on what the purpose of the backpack will be. I'm planning to use this pretty ladybug fabric, very colorful, and the other choices that might be appropriate would be something like this that would be appropriate for a purse, for a teenager or an adult. This would be a nice little backpack for like overnight supplies for a little girl going off to spend the night, or a boy could also use it. Denim fabric here. Another good choice for a purse fabric would be this animal print. These are the things that you might want to think about before deciding and going any further with your project for making a backpack.